Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying the current Melon Playground version and your device OS so you know what update path to take. Next, export or sync your saves. This protects progress if the update resets data. Once done, free up at least 500 MB of storage and plug in or have 50% battery. Updates can stall without space or power. These steps reduce risk and prepare you for a smooth download and install process that follows immediately. You should open the official App Store or the built-in update channel and tap Update to fetch the new package. This guarantees integrity versus third-party APKs. During installation, allow the permissions Melon Playground requests so assets, audio, and storage access properly install. Once the core app is updated, install any optional add-on packs or asset bundles one at a time to catch errors early. Doing it incrementally helps isolate issues and keeps the app stable while new features integrate. You finish by launching Melon Playground, checking the version number, and testing key scenes and any mods to confirm functionality. If you encounter crashes or missing assets, clear the app cache, restart the device, and reinstall the core app only before re-adding packs. This removes corrupted temporary files. Make sure to keep an exported save copy and record any error messages. They speed up support responses. If problems persist, report the exact error and steps you took for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.